Alright, I'm going to do a little weather report here. First, I'll check the radar. It's been raining literally all day, and by all day I mean since just about midnight, and now it's 10:10 p.m., so that's 22 hours, and all the heavier stuff is pretty much past. I am right here, but scattered showers keep developing in my area, so that's probably why the forecast has rain here for about the next 3 days. And they still have the forecast for today, even though it ends in less than 2 hours. Tomorrow rain, Saturday showers, Sunday few showers, then Monday through Friday partly cloudy, and then next Saturday cloudy, and then 11 p.m. rain, midnight rain, 1 a.m. showers. Oh, and it's reporting drizzle right now, wherever that reporting station is. Tomorrow's forecast, rain showers, rain showers. Saturday, showers, few showers, showers, few showers, cloudy, mostly cloudy, and then it's pretty much the same on Sunday. So, I think you get the point. We're about to get a lot of rain, and it's not going to be sunny at all for the next few days here. So, that's it for this weather report.